Hello, my name is Amanda Rainey. I'm the User Experience and Learning Manager here at the GVSU Art Gallery, where we collect, care for, exhibit, and facilitate the interpretation of visual art to foster experiential learning for all of Grand Valley's academic programs. You can see the impact of our work inside campus buildings, on the grounds, and online. Today I'm going to walk you through the unique search features of the online art collection database. To get started, visit gvsu.edu/artgallery. Then click on Collections in the navigation bar, select Online Collection, and scroll down to find the Online Collections button. This will take you to our online database platform powered by an external software called Collective Access. Collective Access is free open source software for managing and publishing museum and archival collections. You can find more info about Collective Access at collectiveaccess.org. There is so much to explore here and many ways to use this database. For example, you can create and share personalized mini art collections called lightboxes, which I'll walk you through in a future video. Today, we're just going to learn how to use some of the basic search features. Let's get started. Each of these navigation links represent a different way to search through the more than 19,000 objects in the database. You can use the artwork navigation link to search all artworks in the database and filter down from there by subject, year, term, collection, location, and lot. This list automatically sorts by the date of acquisition, meaning the year that the object came into the collection. You can search by artists and then filter by type, year, nationality, alumni, location. This list is automatically sorted by artist's name. You can search by where the object is currently located, or browse through special collections, or locate artworks related to a specific academic field of study. Or if you're looking for something really specific, you can use advanced search to search multiple fields at once. Now I'll walk you through a practice search using the keyword search. We'll search for all objects in the collection related to the keyword cat. You can see we have 135 objects in the collection that contain the word cat in their title or description, and 12 artists in the collection who have cat in their name somewhere. Let's click on Objects to see the full 135 results. From here, we can filter our search results to narrow them down a bit. I want to look at all the objects related to cat made in the year 2005. And let's look at anemone cat. Here we can see all the basic information for anemone cat. The identifier is an accession number. This is a unique number given to just this artwork. Artist refers to the artist's name. Credit refers to the name of the donor or the origin of the purchase. Medium refers to the material and process used to create the artwork. Date refers to the year that the object was made. Dimensions refers to the measurements of the artwork. And below we've got a brief description of the work and historical context. In future videos, I'll dive deeper into the personalization tools of the database. If you have questions or concerns or would like to collaborate on an educational project, please email gallery@gvsu.edu. Thanks for watching.